Good morning, all of you. Today we will see the introductory part about Pharmaceutics-I practical. So code for this Pharmaceutics-I it is BP109P. First of all, we will discuss the exam pattern of this subject. Yes, for this Pharmaceutics-I and Pharmaceutics-I practical, the continuous mode for 5 marks, then sessional examination for 10 marks, and your end semester examination for 35 marks. It means the continuous mode for 5 marks. This 5 marks is divided into 3 marks for your daily practical evaluation and 2 marks for your attendance. That is your 5 marks, and 10 marks for your sessional examination. That is total, it means internal assessment, it is total 15 marks, and your end semester examination it is of 35 marks, it means total 50 marks. Then we will see the syllabus of our practical. First of all, the syllabus of our Pharmaceutics-I theory as well as our practical is almost same. Keep in mind, yes, what I am saying, the syllabus of our practical as well as theory of Pharmaceutics-I it is almost same. जे आपण थेअरीमध्ये बघणार आहोत त्याच गोष्टी आपण प्रॅक्टिकली परफॉर्म करणार आहोत. दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. यस, फर्स्ट दॅट इज सिरप, देन इलिक्झर, then lintases, solution, suspension, emulsions, powders and granules, then suppository, then ointment and mouthwash. First that is syrup, formulation and evaluation of syrup, then formulation and evaluation of to prepare, evaluate and submit a syrup, then to prepare, evaluate and submit the piperazine citrate elixir. Aim of practical is same, only the formulation is different. For example, if you want to prepare syrup, the aim is likewise. For example, to prepare, evaluate and submit 20 ml of syrup. If you have to prepare elixir, then the aim of this your formulation of the aim of experiment that is to prepare, evaluate and submit piperazine citrate elixir. If you have to prepare solution, then the aim of this practical of the experiment of this practical aim of this practical that is to prepare, evaluate and submit solution. Likewise, the aim of the experiment is same, only the difference is formulation. Then formulation of syrup, then formulation of piperazine citrate elixir, then formulation of lintases, then formulation of solution, then formulation of calamine lotion, then formulation and evaluation of aluminum hydroxide gel, then formulation and evaluation of emulsion, then ORS powder, then dusting powder, then formulation and evaluation of suppositories, that cocoa butter suppository and glycero-gelatin suppositories, and then in semi-solid that is sulfur ointment and non-staining iodine ointment. In gel it is carbopol gel. In last that is mouthwash, that is formulation and evaluation of sodium chloride mouthwash. From this I will see the experiment number 1, that is formulation and to prepare, evaluate and submit the 20 ml of simple syrup IP. First of all, we will see the introduction about this syrup. So what is syrup? Simply the syrup, it is the concentrated or the nearly saturated solution of sucrose in a water with or without medicament. So what is syrup? सिम्पली आपण जो लाडू करताना जो पाक बनवतात that is your syrup. So what is syrup? Syrup is a concentrated or the nearly concentrated solution of sucrose in a water with or without API or the drug or the medicament. As I said earlier, the synonym for drug, that is API, that is active pharmaceutical ingredient or the medicament. The simple syrup is made up of only sucrose and purified water. For example, simple syrup IP, that is Indian Pharmacopoeia, and syrup, that is USP, United States Pharmacopoeia. Then simple syrup contain a pleasant and flavoring substances, which is this flavoring substance is, if the syrup contain flavoring agent, then it is called as flavoring syrup. For examples of flavoring syrup: cherry syrup, acacia syrup. And if the syrup contain any medicinal substances, then it is called as medicated syrup. That is, for example, guaifenesin syrup. Then if the syrup contain medicinal substance, then it is called as what? Medicated syrup. If the syrup contain any flavoring agent or the flavoring substance, then it is called as flavored syrup. Then we will see the constituent or the component of syrup. First, that is purified water. Then second, sugar, that is, or any sugar substitute. Then preservatives, then flavors and colors. So first there is purified water. It is vehicle. It means, or it is act as a solvent. Always it is used in large quantity. Then second, that is sucrose or sugar or the any sugar substitute. The traditional syrup is composed of sucrose and purified water, but in some formulation other non-sucrose base may be used in traditional syrup. One, the most prevalent is a sorbitol solution, USP. Then preservative. So what is preservative? Why, or what is the need of addition of preservative? It prevents the growth of microorganism during stability, or it means, so what is role of preservative? Preservatives, it increase the shelf life of formulation during, or it prevent the growth of microorganism during the formulation. So preservatives are plays an important role during stability or the, or to increase the shelf life of any formulation. Then the commonly used preservative, it includes para hydroxyl benzoate or sodium benzoate or the benzoic acid. Then next, that is flavor. Examples of flavoring agent: peppermint oil, lemon, then herb or the any spices. Then menthol. And last, that is color. Any color is used for your attractive purpose. There are generally natural or the synthetic, water soluble or the photostable ingredients that are selected according to the flavor of the formulation. For mint flavor formulation, green color is preferred, while banana flavor formulation, a yellow color is commonly preferred. Such ingredients must not chemically or the physically interact with component of the formulation. The next, that is methods of preparation of syrup. There are this all parties also will see in Pharmaceutics-I theory in detail. So what are the method of preparation? First, that is agitation without heat. Second method, solution with heat. Then third, addition of medicated liquid. And fourth, that is percolation. So syrup is classified as a first, that is medicated syrup, then flavored syrup, then aromatic syrup or the adjuvant syrup. Yes, we will see the actual experiment. So what is aim of this practical? That is to prepare, evaluate and submit 20 ml of simple syrup IP66. So what are the requirement for this practical? Spatula, beaker, glass rod, measuring cylinder and funnel. So what are the chemicals required for this practical? That is only one chemical is required for this practical, that is sucrose. So what is ingredient or formulation table? That is sucrose and purified water. In the given formula, that is sucrose having quantity 66.7 and purified water it is 100 ml. It means what? And if you want to prepare 100 ml of syrup, then you have to take 66.7 gram of sucrose. See here, I am repeating what I am saying. If you want to prepare 100 ml of syrup, then you want to take 66.7 gram of sucrose. Likewise, calculate for your 20 ml. What is role of sucrose? It acts as sweetening agent, or it also acts as a preservative. And so what is role of purified water? That is your vehicle. Then what is procedure for preparation of the syrup? Before that, we'll see the theory. A syrup is what? It is a thick viscous liquid containing a large amount of dissolved sugar but showing a little tendency to deposit a crystal. Then the viscosity buildup occurs owing the multiple hydrogen bond between the dissolved sugar and the water. Then we'll see the procedure. First, weigh a required quantity of sucrose. Then this sucrose is dissolved in a sufficient quantity of water. Then heat on a water bath. First step, what is weigh a required quantity of sucrose. Then second, take a sufficient quantity of water. Then third, add this weighed quantity of sucrose in a water. Then stir it. Then heat on water bath with continuous stirring. Then adjust the final volume with the help of your vehicle. Final volume in the sense it means जे तुम्हाला प्रिपेअर करायचं आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये एमध्ये काय सांगितलं 20 ml सिरप म्हणजेच काय फर्स्ट जे काय आहे ते तुम्ही सुक्रोज वेट करून घेणार. सेकंड थिंग 50 ml म्हणजे 15 ml वॉटर घेऊन त्याच्यामध्ये जे आहे सुक्रोज ते डिझॉल्व करायचं, पूर्ण हीट करायचं, स्टर करायचं आणि ते सोल्युशन दिस सोल्युशन इज poured into the measuring cylinder and if this solution is below 20 then adjust up to the 20 with the help of your vehicle. So vehicle काय याच्यामध्ये तर that is your purified water. Then this is all about procedure. Then next, so what is container and storage? This syrup is stored in well closed container in a cool place and which is kept away from the light. So what is use of this syrup or the category of syrup? That is pharmaceutical aid. It means what? So what is meaning of pharmaceutical aid? Pharmaceutical aid, it means it is used as a base for another formulations. So this is, and so what is specific gravity? It is 1.31 to 1.37. And so what is result for this practical? Thus, the 20 ml of simple syrup was prepared, evaluated and submitted successfully. Thus, the 20 ml of syrup was prepared, evaluated and submitted successfully. So, labeling part we will see in next practical. So, this is all about experiment number 1, that is to prepare, evaluate and submit the 20 ml of simple syrup IP. So what is use of this formulation? That is pharmaceutical aid. So how to write result? That is thus the 20 ml of simple syrup IP was prepared, evaluated and submitted successfully. Okay, I will stop here.